The existence of aliens has always been a controversial topic, not only for scientists and astronomers, but also for regular people. The opinions are divided, but today, this video may change the view of many about extraterrestrial life, because of the awesome facts and discoveries that scientists have made over time. The year 2021 was probably the best year for alien hunters, as they got more answers than questions, from a hotly anticipated Pentagon report on UFO sightings, to discoveries of habitable exoplanets and even alien signals. We'll see things such as UFO reports that hold real footage, alien junk that is lying within our solar system, and more clues about possible alien life, and see what the government thinks about all this stuff. UFOs are real, and the government knows it. All of us have seen UFO videos on YouTube, and even on news, but we know that probably 90% of them are fake because of the advanced technology at our disposal. But when the Pentagon releases a document about this, we know that things are getting serious. In June 2021, the Pentagon released a long-awaited report documenting 144 UFO encounters that occurred between 2004 and 2021. The encounters range from birds and balloons to foreign and advanced technology and even top-secret US government projects. This report was meant to study the possible threat of such unidentified objects and confirm that some of the encounters do not belong to any government projects, meaning that they are still a mystery to this day. There is only one encounter that scientists from the Pentagon could explain, and that is a large and deflating balloon that was floating in the air. The others remain unexplained even to this day. Black holes could be alien powerhouses. Alien hunters and astronomers are spending as much time as they can to study habitable exoplanets that can potentially hold an undiscovered form of life, but a study published in July 2021 suggested that scientists should not ignore nature's most extreme objects, black holes. According to the study's authors, alien civilizations looking for energy to fuel their interstellar activities may find black holes to be attractive targets because they can radiate up to 100,000 times more energy than a star like our Sun. This could be accomplished by extraterrestrial civilizations building Dyson spheres, gigantic orbs that siphon energy from the disk of white-hot matter swirling around the black hole's horizon and radiate it out into space. This re-radiated energy would produce a unique wavelength signature that astronomers could pick up from Earth. In order to look for those distinctive signatures in the data already collected by telescopes, the researchers are currently developing algorithms to search through the information. This means that aliens could use black holes exactly as we use our Sun. It's interesting and mind-blowing at the same time. Alien planets may look nothing like Earth. It's pretty hard to imagine what a planet from a different solar system would look like, but studies suggest that aliens' home planet could look nothing like our planet. The search for alien life starts with looking for Earth-like planets, but this might be a big mistake. High-CM planets, which are planets that are almost entirely covered with water that have hydrogen-rich atmospheres, could harbor life, since they can be an ideal place for microbial life. There are many types of exoplanets, but high-CMs and super-Earths could be the most ideal spots for potential alien life, because of their properties that can sustain life, or rather the life that we are aware of. One of Saturn's moons still holds potential for life. In 2005, NASA in collaboration with ESA and ISA started a space research mission called Cassini-Huygens, or Cassini-Saturn, in which they sent a space probe to study the entire Saturn system. It detected the presence of methane wafting from Enceladus, which is Saturn's sixth largest moon. This could be a clear sign that a different form of life could be swarming in the moon's subsurface sea. The Cassini-Saturn orbiter discovered geysers near Enceladus' south pole that were spreading ice particles into space from tiger stripe fractures. Scientists tend to believe that this kind of material is coming from a huge ocean of liquid water that is located just under the moon's icy shell, but water wasn't the only thing that the orbiter found. It found other chemical compounds, such as dihydrogen and a diversity of carbon-containing organic compounds. It's a mind-blowing thing to think that there could be another form of life in our solar system, even if we are talking about microbes. Scientists may be ignoring alien junk in our solar system. You have probably heard of Oumuamua. If not, it is a strange and cigar-shaped object that quickly crossed our solar system in 2017, and it is considered by scientists and especially by the astrophysicist Avi Loeb to be a piece of alien technology. In Avi Loeb's book, he states that its strange shape, insane brightness, and fast acceleration away from the sun suggest that Oumuamua is not natural in origin, but a piece of alien technology, possibly thrown away into our solar system accidentally. He also states that the strange object may belong to other intelligent living organisms, as it is plausible because here on Earth, humanity is already doing these things, but on a far more limited scale. I would agree with him, since no comets detected until now had this strange shape, and none of them behaved this way. It could really mean that some sort of life, possibly far from us, threw away their junk into the outer space and it eventually reached our solar system too. Thousands of alien worlds could have watched humans grow up. I know, this sounds really terrifying. Just imagine how humanity would react if we found out that we are being observed by other civilizations from our galaxy all this time. More than 1,700 alien civilizations may have been keeping an eye on us for thousands of years prior, even though human efforts to find alien civilizations among the stars only began in the last century or so. Over the past 5,000 years, 1,750 nearby star systems have had a perfect viewing angle of Earth, and more than 1,400 of them still do, according to a study published in June 2021. All these stars are located within 300 light years of Earth, and 75 of them orbit at distances of less than 100 light years. Over a time span of 100 years, humans detected different radio signals, and the 75 star systems are close enough so our radio waves would get vanished over them already. A good question would be, has another civilization tried to communicate with us? There's no best way to communicate with aliens. If all this time we were being observed by aliens, then what would be the best way to tell them that we actually live? The investigations found that there is no best way or any method to communicate with them. Radio waves could be a good way, but not an effective or a reliable one, because they broaden as they travel through space, meaning that any message that we would send will become weaker the further away from Earth it gets. This is not a problem for laser light, but laser signals need to be extremely precise and are unlikely to reach any extraterrestrial observers unless we send our message directly to their star system. Both approaches have their benefits, but neither is perfect. I tend to believe that we were visited at least once by aliens, considering the fact that even the government couldn't explain what's going on behind all that footage released in the UFO's report. Do you think we are in contact with aliens? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video and don't want to miss out on any future content, make sure you like, subscribe and click the notification button.